Anyway, guys, it looks like Umaynish has now turned against Umangwabe and Tobile Istimela Sasemsombe. She has now joined Istimela Sasesiphake Dlonkulu Maqele and Samke. One thing about Musamsalaka, he doesn't play. So anyway, guys, let's get to start today. No, the rest of the hearts of Samana present. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. So guys, we know that when you're in good terms, no baba msaleko, you get the opportunity to be posted lapha on Instagram, guys. Umasamsaleko ubaba wecountry uyindlondlo yama caption, and recently people have noticed with hi man ubaba msaleko has been posting umayeni and Maqele. What's going on? Before Uthando Nesthembu season 9, he started posting Dlonkulu Maqele, guys, and people are asking themselves what hi uyathanda uMaqele, only to find out ukuthi on season 9 yeThando Nesthembu uMaqele, she was the Yebo Baba the Bogoto, guys. Got that season. Right now we might get the Uthando Nesthembu season 10. Maybe Umayeni, she has now accepted Usamke. No wonder why Umasamsalaka is making sure we see Mayeni lapha on Instagram yakhe, guys. Every time where people were complaining, go Tobile, why are you not posting Tobile? We found out on Uthando Nesthembu season 9 why Musamsaleko was not posting with Tobile. But this year things are not bad, guys, but the people that get posted the most are Umayeni and Maqele, guys. So when it comes to Mangwabe and Tobile, obviously they do get posted, but not that much like Umaqele and Mayeni, guys. So people are saying about probably there's a possibility that they have accepted Usamke. Something good will happen on Uthando Nesthembu season 10, guys, because there were time Umayeni was live on TikTok and Musamsaleko was also around, and people were begging Mayeni to say, can you please get Uthando Nesthembu season 10? Mayeni, she was like, can you please talk to Musa? He's here, guys. We don't make the decision. He's the one who tell us what we're going to have Uthando Nesthembu season 10 or not. We hear from him. One thing about Mayeni, guys, she respect her husband. What we circulate direct section to real life, it's a different thing, guys. Oh my, I'm turned up Musamsaleko, and we've seen so many times. So nowadays, they spend time together, they're traveling together. Not long ago Musamsaleko was at Mayeni's house at Shabeni Nompumelelo, guys. So things are looking good. Love is beautiful, guys. So tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this? Do you think Mayeni has now joined Istimela Sasesi Park? She decided, you know what, let me accept Usamke. I don't have a choice. What should I do as a woman is to accept and move on. So it is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy with